Our new factory limited the industry-leading manufacturer of innovative solutions for digital inkjet ink printing. Our new factory covers an area of 51,000 square meters and is an intelligent manufacturing factory that integrates the GVWMS MES ERP. The main products include OA Business Inks wide-format advertising inks, UV inks, digital textile inks. Our R&D team consists of over 30 members from mainland China, Taiwan, and the United States. Our new factory features multiple multifunctional laboratories. Printing test room. And constant temperature printing test room. Equipped with advanced testing instruments, ensures that the product undergo rigorous quality control both during the development phase and the finished product stage. Establish an ink product archive system to manage and archive sample from each batch of ink. Adopt an advanced intelligent production system. By importing advanced production equipment from abroad, automated operation of the production process can be achieved and production efficiency can be improved. By utilizing equipment such as data collection systems, ink production can be analyzed and processed, enabling digital management. Adopting automatic filling and packaging production lines reduces manual intervention, ensures product quality, and meets diverse market demands.